Right everybody, I've got a little old Allegro. Is it a 13 or 11, Tom? 1100 in. It's Tom, he's a fellow YouTuber. His channel's, is it THT? THT Motoring. So he's popped up to see me because he's going to want a little bit of a flashover on his wings and bits and pieces. So we've dropped a stat in, we've dropped an 82 in, it had an 88 in. He was a bit concerned it was running a bit warm, but there's not a lot wrong with that. That's sweet as a nut. While we've had it in, we've dropped a new pipe on expansion bottle. We just topped it up. We're just running up to temperature now. And we were getting a bit concerned. He thought it was a bit rich, but she's sound. She's sweet as a nut. Could probably just do with backing off a bit, but I think when it runs a bit cooler, it'll be a bit better. So I'll carry this video in a bit because we're going to park it outside at Reliant, and not very often you get two cars like this. They're knocked to pieces. So it's got leopard skin covers on it. It's typical Allegro with a bit of a sticking door. Crikey, I can remember painting plenty of these in the 70s. Early 80s. It's in cracking shape though. Sounds lovely. Heater's nice. We're just coming up to temperature nice. It's got the same switches actually as Reliant has. Lovely little car. I'll do a bit better walk round when it's up to temperature. We've moved it side at Reliant, so like I say, THT Motoring, that's his YouTube channel, and he drives this round. He's come up from Nottingham. How many miles you done, Tom? How many miles have you done coming up here, do you know?
What?
How many miles you done, mate, coming up here?
What, since I bought it?
No, since you come up here from your house to up here.
About 55.
55-mile trip up, so it's not no bother, it's sweet as a nut. So I'll follow this on shortly anyway for you, so we'll get it outside and have a walk around a bit Reliant. Right, so there we have the Reliant with the Allegro. How often do you see that? I think they're both on a P, so I think this one's 76, so I don't know if Tom's is a 76. Is it a 76, Tom? Is it a 76?
75.
75. Oh, Tom's a 75. Reliant's a 76. So there you have a 75 1100 Deluxe. I don't know what Deluxe meant. I don't know what you got for your Deluxe. Probably got them reverse lights, to be quite honest. And well, you look at it. Oh, it might have had mud flaps. So, like I said, the wings are out. We're going to sort the wings out for him. And around the March time, he says. So, no doubt you'll get a chance to get another look at it, and we'll have a better day to have a look round it. So, there you have, folks, a 1975 Allegro at the side of a 76 Reliant Robin. So if you like the video, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, because there's always something going off here. And then if you want to pass a comment, you want to know about this car. I mean, I have a bit of knowledge on Allegros. And like I said, Tom's channel is a fellow YouTuber. He's THT Motoring. So you'll find him on YouTube. And I think cars on there regular. So take care, everybody. Thank you. Bye for now.